it's crazy, man, how fast it went. Because I was looking at your Instagram and you made the post that you did like 7.3K, and I was like, man, like how is that possible? And then you sent your Instagram, and I checked your Instagram, and you did, I think for like 95%, you did like a perfect execution of everything. You make an introduction.
I'm a 20 years old guy from Slovakia. I studying at the university here, studying IT, like programming and computer science. I'm 20 years old, also doing working night shift as a part-time job when I can, because I don't attend school all 5 days a week, but just 3. And during my school break, I discovered that here's the thing with AI models, and thought like it looks really nice, and maybe I could be the one to make some profit, and clearly it happened. So
yeah, definitely more than some profit, man. It's insane how much money you made from just one guy. Like how much the post that you made today in school, how much was it again?
That was $2.7K in a month, just by one guy. So yeah.
Oh my god, like, that's crazy, man. That's crazy. Like how much do you make at the bar, if I may ask?
The last month I made 7.3 or 7.4, and this one is slightly like lower. I have so far 1.5, but it's mainly because I got like big spenders. That's one guy that spent 1.3K in like 2 hours the last month, but he was maybe just the type of that they spend much and they just block you to like probably enjoy the pics and like without contact.
Oh, that's weird. But yeah, it's still good money, and we still got 2 weeks to go. So I'm sure you have a fantastic comeback. Yeah, it's crazy, man, how fast it went. Because I was looking at your Instagram and you made the post that you did like 7.3K, and I was like, man, like how is that possible? And then you sent your Instagram, and I checked your Instagram, and you did, I think for like 95%, you did like a perfect execution of everything. You had the perfect character, you had the perfect type of post, you had the perfect funnel, your fan view looked perfect. The only thing that you didn't have was a good niche, but aside from that, yeah, really good job, man. Like you did an insane execution.
Yeah, thanks.
And
I try. Yeah, okay, you can.
No, you go first.
Yeah, I try to like I created my first model myself and then joined this group because I was like struggling with content creation and what to post on Instagram and so on. I was just checking YouTube videos and then found out you. Like it was really interesting videos and also really appealing. So I found out about your group, and then I told myself like, hey, it's like a few bucks, but it can push me forward so much. So I just decided, okay, I will join it. And since then, I try to apply every single tip that you shared, and like I can see it even on myself, like the progress where I was like on the beginning of September and where I'm now. I know mostly everything about this. Like, yeah, it will be some research in the future needed, but for now, I think I'm pretty much like, yeah, I have the knowledge so far.
Yeah, man, if you know how to do it once, you can do it again. You can start a new model, you can start multiple accounts, you can expand your model. It's a skill you learn.
Yes, definitely.
So when did you join exactly? I forgot.
I started this on September 1st, but joined the group on September 21st when I was when I started to post on Instagram, but really needed the information what to post and this stuff. Yeah.
Okay. So I think 7 or 8 weeks, something like that.
Yes.
7 to 8 weeks and over 7K. That's nuts, man. Crazy.
Thank you.
And what do you think was like? You already said like the content creation was like the biggest thing that did it for you, but like, can you be more specific? Like, what do you think was like the most valuable thing?
So I knew I had to create like appealing content and something that's not boring, but I started with posting reels and needed like a little bit of advice what to post, how to maybe edit the reels, and so then I shifted to just post as you advised. And still it was like big mess for me, just create a post, you know, when you have no knowledge it's hard. So it just helped me to also seeing your actual post gave me the idea like, okay, this looks really nice, how can I do something similar? And it just opened my eyes so I could do it myself. And
yeah, man, like yeah, that's crazy. Like I saw one of your posts, like I did a post with like a USA flag and a bikini, and you copied that exact same thing. So
yeah,
but it's okay, it's a good thing. I got like a fuck ton of subscribers from that post, because all the gooners from the USA, they're gonna share it to other people from the USA, and then that it gets pushed more. So that's yeah. Tip for everyone out there: if you don't know what to post, then post something with a US flag or a US bikini, because people are more likely to share that stuff from the USA. Yeah. So do you have what was like the biggest mistake that you made in the beginning?
it's hard to remember, but what I know that I ordered a phone, but I forgot to factory reset it. Maybe that's just like you think it's just a small step, but I created in the last days a new Instagram account, and before that I factory reset the phone, and it actually shows straight from the beginning USA feed in my like explore page on Instagram, and before it showed like feed from and memes from my country, and I knew like that shouldn't be the case. And that's maybe one mistake. Also maybe if you I wasn't really experienced with Instagram before, yeah, I just posted on my personal account some stories, but not posts and other stuff. So maybe if you want to start, just not be in a hurry, just think about it with calm mind, prepare maybe a plan what to do, and not just hop in and hope it goes well. Yeah, you should probably have a plan and just follow it, so you are more like thinking, okay, this what I'm gonna do is gonna be safe and not broke my Instagram or something.
Yeah, man, that's definitely some good sauce there, man. Like in the beginning, I think I built like 3 models that were all shitty, with no niche, with no strategy, and then it never worked. And the only way I thought you should do things is, if you have an idea, you do it instantly. But sometimes it's better to just, maybe you take a week or a day or a couple of days and just like think about what you're actually gonna do and make a good strategy. Otherwise, yeah, it might be longer in the long run. And do you have any advice for people that are fans, or maybe they think like, yo, I'm not sure if this is something I can do, or if it's for me, you know, like you have like a million different opportunities. You can do dropshipping, you can do SMMA, you have all these business models, but do you have any advice for people that are exploring different business models?
You mean like if this is what they should pick, or
yeah, like this is something they should pick according to you?
I think it's a really good business to start, even with relatively low finances at the start, because all you need is maybe like your phone. That's not that expensive. I mean, for 500 you can get maybe even less. Like I got my phone for 350, okay, and it works. Then you just need your model. Yeah, you can do it yourself if you are more tech interested, or you can buy just, yes, I also bought it for 600, and then you just need to pay for the monthly fees or something, and you are good to go, and just create yourself. You can do me personally, I'm still doing everything myself, and like, yeah, sometimes it's tough, but you can do it all yourself with low finances and get good results. So why not? You should try it.
Nice, man. That's amen. That's good advice. And What are your goals right now with your model? Are you gonna expand with different accounts? Are you gonna do something else, maybe threads, or what is your plan on growth?
For now, I would like to get my Instagram to like maybe 20-30K followers.
Because
Then,
you have very low followers, man, like 1,000 or something, right?
yeah. I had 300 and then boosted to 1,000. But for now, I would like to get the Instagram to good numbers, get something like passive income from it, manage VAs for that, and then probably scale. When I can create one good model, why couldn't I create 5? You know, so we will see how the future goes. But I'm gonna keep grinding, and we will see.
Nice, man. That's good advice. One tip I have for you: it's easier to scale any business vertically than that you try to scale horizontally. Because if you're gonna have 5 different models, 5 different LoRa's, 5 different niches, 5 different content systems, 5 different phones, 5 different everything. But if you have one model and you just expand vertically, so you have 10 Instagram accounts, 5 post accounts, 5 Reels accounts, maybe you do threads, then it's usually you make a lot more money.
That's right, actually, yeah.
But yeah, it also depends on risk diversification. I have 4 models right now, and I'm also looking into Telegram, where you can also sell PPV, because I don't want to be too dependent on FanView. You know, if something happens with FanView, then I'm kind of fucked. So I'm also maybe it's good to have 2 models if you start making significant money.
Yeah, right.
All right, man. So yeah, that's crazy. And what is your goal? You already said like you're gonna be the first one in your village to retire.
Yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna be the first one in my village to retire my parents under 25. You know, never know how it goes, but I think if I stay consistent and grind, I will make it. Let's see.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's a nice goal. That will be so epic, man. I guess your mom. I guess if you drop out of school right now, your mom is very sad, and then you retire her, and then she's gonna be the proudest mom in the entire Slovakia.
Yeah, that's right. Actually, she's really mad every time I mention like dropping out of school and going full send. But it's what it is.
Yeah, man. Okay, man. So I think you definitely gave some sauce there. As a final question, would you recommend the group to someone who's starting from zero?
I would definitely recommend it, because it's not just a source of information, but actually a great community. I have met here like 10 plus people that are actually we are in contact every single day. Also, you are here for everyone to help, and that's really great. Like, not everyone does this, like have own group and helps the people. So yeah, big thanks to you. And if you are someone who is thinking about joining or not joining, trust me, if you want to get serious into this, the few bucks you spend by joining this group are the best invested money you can possibly use. So
Shit, man. I feel honored, man. Thanks for the kind words.